All right. We've got some new from Forged Beard Co. in this video today is dedicated to talking about all of that. I appreciate you guys watching the video. My name is Dan. That's all for today. Let's jump in. I have covered this company a couple of times now. They're owned by Jeremy. They're out of Arizona. This has been a year where they really went all in and said, you know what? We want to do this. We want to listen to the community. We want to build. We do now have a discount code with them. This is not an affiliate of mine, so there's no commission on sales or anything like that. But you guys can save 10% if you want to give them a try or try them again anytime in the future. And that code is DANC10. DANC10, I'll put it in the description as well, just to hook you guys up and save a little bit of money there. So let's go ahead and start with the one that really excited me, and I thought they did such a good job, and that would be the Freedom Sample Pack by Forged Beard Co. Now, I really believe sample packs are such a useful option for beard product companies to have. Now, I know it's tedious. I know it's not a really big money maker. They oftentimes break even or lose money, but man, does it let customers try stuff in a way that kind of calms them. They're able to try out the quality of the company, but also try different scents and even explore ones that they never in a million years would have bought, but they end up loving. So this box is done really well, you guys. So it's right here. They have some like instructions and some different little graphics on the back. Really, really cool. I'll take you guys through this experience here. Pop that top on this bad boy, and then you have the samples. There is a sticker in here. I'm not a sticker guy myself, as most of you know, but I know some of you are just straight up sticker heads, sticker nuts, and that sounds weird. But you guys love your stickers, all right? They do have a sticker in there. And then this box right here has 6 different samples that are 5 ml. Now, a normal bottle of beard oil is 30 ml, and this one is 5. This will get me 2 to 3 full uses on my beard. Now, I use usually 2 full dropper tops, so my guess that is there's around 4 to 6 dropper tops full in here, even though that's not an exact science. We could work it out. Generally speaking, there's 600 drops to 1 bottle. This is what, 1/6 of this bottle. There's 100 drops in here, and there's 20 drops per dropper top. So we're looking at 5 dropper tops. If that unbelievably not perfect math checks out, that can kind of give you a bit of an indication. And I may have missed a whole like carrying number and messed the whole thing up. Not a mathematician, you guys. I used to teach history. So these are the samples that they have. Beautiful labels, really quality bottles here with the dropper top. So if you want to try this company, this is probably your safest way of getting to explore their scents, getting to explore the quality of the carrier while mixing it up. Super excited. He just sent this out. He didn't even tell me to cover this in a video or anything. I was like, dude, if you don't mind, I would love to cover this in a video because people need to know that this option is out there. Got it. Now, a new scent that is out by Forged Beard Co. And this one, I'm not sure if this one's a limited or not. I went to check on the bottle and it doesn't say. Selfishly, I hope it's not, but it is kind of a seasonal type scent and vibe to it. So I'll let Jeremy and the company confirm in the comments below. But this is Frosted Frontier. Frosted Frontier. And one thing that they do that I love that you guys know, 3 scent notes on the bottle. Spruce, peppermint, and vanilla. Spruce, peppermint, and vanilla, you guys. And these are all essential oils or natural oils. No synthetics in here. Now, and I will say, the peppermint vanilla, very common at this time of year. Throw in some spruce, though, we get a little bit extra, a little bit of a vibe. Yeah, and guys, I love peppermint vanilla, always. That is a jam for me. You add in the spruce, and it kind of cuts through the sweetness a little bit and kind of brings this new, more mellow vibe. And spruce, to me, can be aggressive. It can be almost like cleaning supply aggressive in a good way for me. I know that's not for everybody, but I enjoy that. I like tea tree. I like pine. I like those kind of aggressive menthol-y like scents. Spruce, when you add that to the vanilla and you add that to the peppermint, but specifically the vanilla, it kind of cuts out the sweetness a little bit and gives you a more almost natural, I don't want to say woodsy, but it almost gives you more of an outdoor version of that classic holiday peppermint vanilla, that kind of Andes mints, that kind of cream and mint scent. This is really nice. It puts just the hint of slight of uniqueness on a classic. It's in beard right now. Feels great. Smells fantastic. I've covered the carrier blend. I've covered the history, but it is a medium viscosity blend here. I'll show you guys the oil color, even though I did a little bit back there. It is dang near clear with just a hint of some golden beautifulness in this elixir, but it does great. And then they also have the matching butter, of course. Their butter is a lighter butter, melts down immediately, and just really does a great job of nourishing. There's not much hold or styling. If you're looking for like a balm, this isn't exactly it, even though it will tame some flyaways. I did put in some butter this morning, but that was a while ago, and so I don't really feel it as much as I did when I applied it. But just to kind of lock the beard knot in, I do like to go with a little layer of butter, and this is the butter I used with the oil today. So fan-frickin-tastic. This company cares. Message them. Reach out on social media. Get to know the owner. He is a great dude in my dealings. He is improving this company every step of the way. He is grinding, American-made, small batch, all the stuff that so many of you rave about and crave from your companies. Give him a look if you haven't, you guys. And again, he has that new Dan C10 to save you guys a little bit of money. So down below, have you tried Forged Beard Co.? Let us know, guys. A good buddy of mine, Craig, recommended them months and months and months ago. And then since then, I've been hearing some of you trying them and then giving great feedback. And if it wasn't for you, as always, it's open down in the comments. If you're spending your hard-earned money, you deserve to hear all sides on that. I do not delete comments. Please put it down below, good, bad, other, and then what questions do you guys have? I do appreciate you guys watching. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.